Pule Modi is one of the most experienced players ku Kaizer Chiefs ngoba una 30 something uyi-senior player ngithi but uhluleke ukushaya amaphasa simple khona la uPule Modi ulibambile ibhola bamnika option laphana second half cabanga uDubu umnika option ukuthi ngiphase udelay ipass umjidi uphasa wrong uphasa wrong lo muntu lo so bekunama frustrations laphana from Kaizer Chiefs so iKaizer Chiefs bebe nama moments wayo laphana but iSundowns idominateile iplay okay igame iqiniso ukuthi igame beyibhora bafowethu yabo and basithengisa amathikiti we100 and sifuna ukubona ibhola esezingeni eliphezulu from lama teams lawo yi2 but hayi game beyiflat angeke bangenza kangcono so sobona i-left back position njengoba kukanjena bafethu ukuthi bazomisa kanjani but noma kuthiwa ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafithi bonke abaku-left back bafethu ubani abamthembayo ku-left back ushinga bamthembe ku-Kaizer Chiefs uMarco naye unama injuries noma uthola ukuthi ugain confidence uyabuya but ke is not that convincing uNkwesa akekho ready ukuthwala iKaizer Chiefs uCross recently bamconverted to i-center back if umfethu lo wase Norway uyafika uyadeliver indaba yambuthuma isekho koLorlando Pirates because bayamnika ama opportunities uqala wonke ama game umbuthuma but akakori bafethu ezi striker phela modlalelo Orlando Pirates team enkulu kumele ukwazi ukuthi ukuwasha amagoli noma ungawasha amagoli njalo but ke do something but umjidi unama highlights ogeja kuphela but ke Coach weKaizer Chiefs wafetha kakabi sure ngesquad sakhe simzwile noma ekhuluma ukuthi ukhulume kanjani coach eMamelodi Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso ukhulumile straight ukuthi bayawa block amanye ama player ukuthi ahambe ama teams wethu ayi3 Orlando Pirates iKaizer Chiefs iMamelodi Sundowns abakadlali kahle ukuthi convince this season with that being said bafowethu welcome back to Omni Audio Africa the biggest platform ebholeni la South Africa igama lami nguNkuli Soccer ngazi kanjalo ke bafowethu but asiqaleni ngeteam enkulu imatch enkulu yange weekend Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns live bafowethu laphana eSoccer City bengicabanga mina ukuthi Sundowns izoyidominate igame izoyiwin igame kalula izocreate ama opportunities amaningi but iKaizer Chiefs beyi compact laphana emove uDa Cruz uyambona ukuthi ucoach ohlakaniphile ubonile ukuthi ngeke akwazi ukuya pound to pound neSundowns bekabanika ispace ukuthi badlalise ukhuliso mudawo esayidini but once bazama ukudlalisa maybe number 9 laphana phambili bekameka sure ukuthi uyawucisha umlilo weSundowns so iKaizer Chiefs bebe nama moments wayo laphana but iSundowns idominateile iplay okay igame iqiniso ukuthi igame beyibhora bafowethu yabo and basithengisa amathikiti we100 and sifuna ukubona ibhola esezingeni eliphezulu from lama teams lawo yi2 but hayi game beyiflat but only for iSundowns ngabo ma 60 something minute tempo ishintshe laphana babe nama subs different but ke siqala la congratulations to uLange Lihle Phili ngokushaya igol lakhe lokuqala la kuKaizer Chiefs imatch enkulu lena I guess manje uphili uyiface off iKaizer Chiefs ngoba eshayele la gol leli umatch serious kumeshi important kakhulu but asingene negame inyonke khona ama player disappointile khona ama player ngichazile ithi siqale ngama disappointment uPule Modi is one of the most experienced players ku Kaizer Chiefs ngoba una 30 something uyi-senior player ngithi but uhluleke ukushaya amaphasa simple khona la uPule Modi ulibambile ibhola bamnika option laphana second half cabanga uDubu umnika option ukuthi ngiphase udelay ipass umjidi uphasa uphasa wrong lo muntu lo so bekunama frustrations laphana from Kaizer Chiefs but ke benge expecting kuPule Modi akakadlali this season uvumbuka egamini enkulu bafethu la igame beyi serious khona badlala nama African champions but if iKaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukubamba ama-African champions which is iMamelodi Sundowns it means that uDa Cruz angabuilda something formidable if uDa Cruz angathola lama signings lokho njalo every week izokhuluma ngama signings ngoba wakafika ama signings lawa uDa Cruz yena awafunayo but no shout out to Oxmthetho bafowethu Nkabi football shout out to Oxmthetho what a performance from umjida laphana eswini yo umake sure ukuthi Sundowns I move simple yabo Sundowns phela idominance yabiqala laphana eswini bashaya ama fancy passes laphana eswini but uOxmthetho uthe not under my watch ngizovala kwasana I might not be a good passer of the ball but I'll make sure ukuthi ngiyayistabilize i-team lana eswini ukuthi Sundowns ingazenzeli I don't know how many times uOxe win amabhola bafowethu lapha neswini for iKaizer Chiefs uOxe eza aya naphambili well phambili ke akanayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi uzonika uzoshama assist good in but ukudlalile uOxe one of the biggest performers of the day ngimangele ukuthi uLona uNdlovu uthole iman of the match but ke naye ngiyibonile ipresence yakhe lapha neswini but unama assist ayi2 uNdlovu manje for iKaizer Chiefs angithi bafowethu 2 assists 2 games So shout out to yena. Well le Mamelodi Sundowns assist uyishayile but khona bekungathi uyalose ibhola but ke yabona idlozi lakho kumele hamba nawe league favor on the day izinto zakho zihamba kahle wakwazi ukushaya assist but into engithanda ngoNdlovu I think neKaizer Chiefs abayithanda ngoNdlovu so kunefee mabadlala noNdlovu especially ama oppositions ayazi ukuthi uNdlovu aggressive uyakhahlela kadlali laphana so akukho lulu ukuthi uvele nje uzidevelopele laphana eswini so kunoNdlovu noOx into mina engikhala ngayo kakhulu kuKaizer Chiefs bebaleka icreativity egaming bayalibamba ibhola abazi ukuthi benzeni ngebhola badlala la short passes baye side noPhilele buyisele emuva kuModi uyabona ukuthi iplan kakhulu beyingekho that much but ke bengiconvinced ngamanye ama performances yabona idefense eKaizer Chiefs uThabo Mloyisani first game igame enkulu for yena laphana kuChiefs but ke umake sure ukuthi ba stable laphana emuva wa complimenta uMiguel Cardoso kahle bafowethu laphana emuva and uMiguel Cardoso ngiyam attack isikhathi esiningi but uMiguel Cardoso kule game le yabona uMiguel Cardoso ipositive engizomnika yona ama aerial balls bafowethu lo muntu uyakwazi ukudila nawo amabhola yabona amabhola wasemoyeni uzowawina almost wonke and angithi ngithanda ukuthi bafowethu abantu bama modern defenders comfortable on the ball is able to play no Peterson laphana emuva uPeterson naye uyakwazi ukuthi okay mangizophasa uNasho Miguel won't lose the ball kule position le uzokwazi ukushaya long ball uzokwazi ukushaya pass eli right so I think bamthandela lokho kuKaizer Chiefs ngoba comfortable on the ball siyazi ukuthi ke uMr Yellow card unokuthola ama yellow card unnecessary but ke naye egamini yeSundowns labe kune pressure khona serious uperformile asingeneni kuPeterson uPeterson sikhale kakhulu sithi kumele aye ku World Cup bafowethu I think uMadala Hugo Bros uthe no ways lo ngiyamazi lo sengimbukele for iminyaka la kuKaizer Chiefs ngiyazi ukuthi unalento yakhe yokuba nama mistake 2 games uPeterson ucosta i-team 2 games ku game against Mamelodi Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs kumele protect i-lead yabo simple aerial ball lize emoyeni ibhola uphumile as ugoalkeeper uInasho Miguel akacommit ngoba uyambona uPeterson ukuthi uPeterson uphumile bafowethu right Peterson only for yena ukuthi abe late ebholeni bahlulwa ubani uMailula one of the shortest players ku Betway Premiership unifika laqala ku aerial ball imhlola kaJames le sifikile isikhathi sokuthi ulona iKaizer Chiefs technical team ithi no Ronaldo Lina isikhathi sakho sesifikile ukuthi udlale because uPeterson unama mistake after mistake and bayamxolela bamloke bamnika uyicaptain uyilead teamini na next game if kuzodlala yena uRonaldo Lina mela athole opportunity or abafaka uvuma ke once sibone ukuthi ubani ozoba ngcono between the two because uma unama mistake mele uhlale ebenchini ubukele from the bench ulead from ebenchini ube vocal from ebenchini sibona abanye bo goalkeeper because if njalo soloke noma iKaizer Chiefs izoloku imdlalisa uPeterson akusiyiqiniso lelo for abanye goalkeeper kumele benzeni abanye goalkeeper kuze badlale ama mistake maningi kakhulu yabo last season wenze ibukwayo Peterson beka deserve ukuthi simpraise beka deserve everything but manje season isaqeda ukuqala already so nama mistake ama goal abakushaya wona kumelanga kuba ama goal at all akumelanga kuba ama goal so mina uPeterson bafethu ngidisappointile yabo so enye into engakhuluma left back position kuKaizer Chiefs abasenkingeni bafethu balimele bonke ngingazi kuFrosla noNkwesa ucoach ukhale ngokuthi nabo they are out siyem ukuthi akusinte elong or into maybe ezobabhayizisa laphana but isikhona intwana ku DDC team mina I think it's time bafethu babize umfana uEmil Dodley intwana ke yakhabo Dodley lencane what a player what a star for iDDC team yeKaizer Chiefs is comfortable on the ball for me that boy is better than abanye abafana ngoramajita adlala laphana ku senior team Emil Woodboy it's your time to shine manje mbizeni umfana laphana ku DDC team nimbeke straight ku first team abafana banje idefender linoshukela idefender comfortable on the ball iKaizer Chiefs ya 20 years back or 15 years back bezombiza umfana bezombiza una 17 or unangaka bezombiza ku first team manje iKaizer Chiefs lese nomthetho ukuthi kumele babe no matric iqala before bedlala ku first team bafethu ngeke bangenza kangcono so sobona i-left back position njengoba kukanjena bafethu ukuthi bazomisa kanjani but noma kuthiwa kuKaizer Chiefs bafithi bonke abaku left back bafethu ubani abamthembayo ku left back ushinga bamthembe kuKaizer Chiefs uMarco naye unama injuries noma uthola ukuthi ugain confidence uyabuya but ke is not that convincing uNkwesa akekho ready ukuthwala iKaizer Chiefs uCross recently bamconverted to center back so kusho ukuthi kuKaizer Chiefs kahle i-left back abayithembayo they are going on the continent CAF Confederations Cup they wanna perform they said themselves but bafuna ukufika ku final iKaizer Chiefs ine 4-year plan angithi yokuwina iBetway Premiership neCAF Champions League angithi. So kumele baqala ukubuilda manje. If mina ngithi uNkwesa akekho ready, but bona if babuilda kune 4-year plan, abaqalise badlalisa uNkwesa manje bakholele kuye because uyiplayer ligudi kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. Yeah, but they have a team. Batuta Cruz uthi yena thina as ama fans on the ground sithi Kaizer Chiefs inayo team yokucompete, Batuta Cruz yena uthi no angeke ba compete ngale team abanayo. So bona ukuthi bazomsayinela mapha ama player kanjani. But uPeterson aka rest bafowethu. Umtasingwa ungena ku game enkulu. Ngithi hayi maybe uzol hold ibhola uzo protect iKaizer Chiefs. Ngicela ningitsheleni bafowethu maybe ku comment section. Ulo imapha ama qualities kaMtasingwa bafowethu. Ama qualities kaMjidi so wabonile mina ku Betway Premiership angaka wabona ama qualities. That is why even last week ngithe ucele why uhambisa ucele ulethe uMtasingwa but ucele uyambona ukuthi is better than uMtasingwa and you understand the league. uMtasingwa kusasela maybe udinga isikhathi lo muntu lo senior player udlala eScandinavia uMtasingwa ngithi bafowethu and then udlala eTanzania udlale kuma national teams wakhe but ku Betway Premiership ngathi ifast kakhulu ileague for yena and akakwazi ukudefend like angakambona shy tackle mina sibona ukuthi okay uyakwazi ukuprotect idefense eKaizer Chiefs bambiza ukuthi azohold ibhola but hey against ama African champions iMamelodi Sundowns kunzima kakhulu akakanginiki performance engibona ukuthi igudi for yena umfowethu. Kaizer Chiefs idinga creativity laphana. iKaizer Chiefs idinga i left back as strong ezodlala immediately and uDa Cruz Mombek sase guesswork bafuthu sase find next game kuzodlala amanye ama player ebesingacabanga ukuthi azodlala. uPhule Modi bengacabanga ukuthi uzodlala kule game lena mina bafuthu. Umloyisana akakadlali kuKaizer Chiefs bengacabanga ukuthi uzodlala kule game lenkulu. uPhili Musha uKaizer Chiefs uqala igame. uPhili ushayile igol but mangibheke overall performance yakhe ngiyayidoubt anyana bafuthu. Ngiyayidoubt overall performance. Especially uPhili, don't get me wrong, especially but we've had special players but kumele ukwazi ukuperforma kulama teams lawa amakhulu angithi but ngiyabheja ngayo uPhili but ngisasho namanje i-team yonke ayimdlalele uPhili and bamnika ifreedom ukuthi athe to take players on create ama opportunities bangamdlalisi njenge robot ukuthi makalibamba kumele abolanda ama player emfethu abe comfortable ukuluza ibhola then I think uPhili uzoba right. As for Mdusha balala no Vilakazi bengicabanga ukuthi mebumdu bazomfaka boma second half bafowethu alethe le nto le because boma second half ukunika something ucoach mfethu lama umdu utalented second half yakwazi ukushintsha igame bengicabanga ukuthi uzongena kangenanga against iSundowns but ucoach uyazi ukuthi wayanga ngenanga umdu maybe ke even ubani number 2 neKaizer Chiefs because umdu kuphela because uVilakazi bakamthesi lapha ku number 10 but maybe khona izinto abazozilungisa. Ningangijoin abafethu ku comment section ngizowafunda amanye ama comment wenu before ngiyivala ishow. But iKaizer Chiefs kuningi kumele ba improve. Mamelodi Sundowns Siyanda Ndlovu, what a superstar. What a star. Cabanga cameo role umfana uyangena but ushintsha igame yonke. Ushintsha itempo yonke game. Yabona into lenziwa uNdlovu. Into engifuna enziwe uPhili. Khona la uNdlovu alibamba ibhola eboxini ngithi mina uzosforce to square no. Ushaya indoda. Undlule endodeni. Kuvaliwe bafethu but uyandlula. Yabo and the coolest thing about uNdlovu ukhuliso Mudawo amabhola amaningi bebawanika yena lapha neside nangithi uNdlovu makangena bekani ukhuliso Mudawo option ukuthi no ngasa overlap kakhulu ngikhona la nika mina ibhola ngizobalanda straight angibasabi labantu labo and uMiguel Cardoso ngiyamdoubta as ucoach ku Betway Premiership ne good coach on the continent. Yabona on the continent angaswina neStars 2 but elikina seSouth Africa kubonakala ngathi uMiguel Cardoso akaka adjust ukuthi kumele deliver kanjani. Last season sibona ama game amaningi uMiguel Cardoso la bekathola khona i3 points but besi doubt i3 points yakhona ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso ithola i3 points but no ibhola lakhe alikho convincing. I think maybe bamlethele just ukuwina on the continent. Even this phela uMiguel Cardoso uye owenziwe ileague ethi bemnandi bafethu namanye ama teams akwazi ukucompete. If bekuwomunye ucoach nesquad abanaso ku Sundowns i-depth abanayo I mean even noma basayina on the market bakusanela ama player obonayo now bakusanela iplayer le 50 something million uLeon bakusanela iplayer le 63 million ubani uArthur Sales well Arthur Sales ulimele akekho so kuyaleka manje lapha ku Sundowns and ngeke sithi excuse ulo umukwena ngoba umukwena akekho vele umukwena usiphethe isisi lapha ku Sundowns but nabanye aba step up nabanye mabanika iopportunity ukuthi badlala abangene badlale ba deliver. No Miguel Cardoso man uyashintsha ngisho isquad sakhe uma ama game kuzodlala boba sadeni la ngathi ugaina khona iconfidence but kwamanye ama game bazoswitcha lapha for bona but they have a squad so compete for everything this season. So ubona ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso uzokwazi ukuwinana because last season domestic noma ngithi local akawinanga lutho cabanga Sundowns ingawini lutho phela iSundowns ine squad esingahlanganisa ama team ayi6 noma ayi7 okubhethwe Premiership kube isquad esisodwa in terms of ivalue yesquad seSundowns. But uMiguel Cardoso uyahluleka ukudeliver ngokweqiniso kubhethwe Premiership bafowethu. But shout out to Mamelodi Sundowns finally ukurelease uMaseko sejoin a team iCopenhagen yase Denmark, the biggest team in the history of Danish football lapha eScandinavia. So shout out to Sundowns ngokuhlala phansi noMaseko ngokuba ne common ground. Ngibonile nobaba kaMaseko nayo commentile wathi ingane yakhe ihambile iye phesheya kubavumelene bahlalile nabo chairman. But shout out to Sundowns. But maningi ama player kumele badile nawo Ascavel, the player from South America, bamsayina nga 40 something million. Ama reports asho kanjalo ngithi upostile naye ku TikTok ku Instagram bafethu ukuthi akekho right, uthi everything yenu yenza right but uthi akekho right. But iSundowns, la ngiblame iSundowns ngendaba kaAscavel, babonile ukuthi kunzima ukuthi adjust ebholeni lase South Africa, bamlona waye South America wafika wahlulekela, waye Greece wafika wahlulekela, kunini bamlona uAscavel. Just it's a matter of ukuthi Sundowns bavumelane ngesettlement bakwazi ukumrelease lo muntu lona azihambele bafethu. Bana ama player amaningi kakhulu hungry. Amanye ama reports aphumayo manje kuthiwa uThato Sibiya ufunwa iLille yase France angithi kubonakala ngathi ideal bazoyiclose, but uThato bejima neSundowns izolo or day before asazi ukuthi ideal bazokwazi ukuyiconclude umfana akwazi ukuhamba kahle because iSundowns ayidumanga ngokuvela ihambisa ama player nje kalula. uKhoza bekane uagent iagent kaKhoza ithe uKhoza bayamfuna ngithi eFrance, agent kabani uKutlwano Litlago naye wait khona inkinga uSundowns. Ama player ayi3 ulo uKutlwano he refused to sign i-renewal kuSundowns. Manje ukekana lo dlala lapha eSweden naye he refused to sign i-contract entsha. Kwenzakalani kuSundowns? Sicela basitshele. Tamphoza nabo bonke abantu esibaziyo aba close to ama situation, cela nisitshele bafethu. If nawe ku comment section uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuSundowns, ungafaka nawe nga-add i2 i3 wakho. uNdlovu, okay, uNdlovu sikhulumile ngaye. This is a big one bafethu, le inkulu ke. uMiguel Cardoso uthe mekhuluma nemedia wa confirm straight ukuthi ba blocker ulona uKhuliso Mudau ukuthi angahambi kuSundowns. Umdusi beke uzoyithanda ke lento lena ke bafethu, nizomuza uzokhuluma ngayo. Ba block bathi uthe uCardoso they can't afford ukuluza amanye ama player ngithi, so ba make sure ukuthi bathola ideal right for uKhuliso Mudau ukuthi ahlale kuSundowns. But enye into ekumele siyibuze yona, mengithi iSundowns iblock ama player umblock kanjani because uKhuliso Mudau if akayisayinanga i-renewal yeSundowns bekazohamba mahala next year ngithi. Baningi abantu bebazomsayina uKhuliso Mudau mahala, but iSundowns imake sure ukuthi imnika i-contract naye ayithandayo noma i-contract uyivumile yena i-contract uKhuliso Mudau okuhlala because bekane option ukuthi nohlala bekezela a few months and then uhambe mahala, that's it. And iSundowns bezoba nepressure ukuthi imthengise ngenkani, but ke ushuthi ama terms watholile, that is why usekwazile ukusayina a new contract. So angesblame iSundowns la sithi hayi bamblockile kumblocker but uyitholile into yakhe. Or uKhuliso Mudau bekafuna ukuhamba kuSundowns noma beka fake ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba just ukuthi bamnika ama terms angcono na. Asazi kwazibona labantu laba beba negotiator for ideal. Asingeneni kwezimnyama ngenkane zikaMagebu lezaKhebhula umhlaba kaMasipala madoda. So kwama Vikings FC manje yabo. So thini because uyababona na after game ufikile ubhuti wase Norway lapha ubenzisa izinto abangazazi. uTito Maswangani uthi mina ngeke ngiyenze lento le, ngibuye ethembisa mina. uTito kuphela bekamile lapha athi ngeke ayenze. But siyama uthi striker seViking esifikile sokwazi ukushaya amagoli for iOrlando Pirates. I mean ama fans amwelcome kahle kakhulu lapha nomfowethu. Imagine bakucelebrate ungakadlali. Not even a single game, but this guy is highly celebrated by ama friends iOrlando Pirates. So it's just a matter of ukuthi yena mekathola ichance akwazi ukudeliver because siyabona ukuthi striking department seOrlando Pirates siyaleka. Umbuthuma madoda, yabona mina umbuthuma siyambhesha sikhuluma ngaye each and every week ngokugeja ama opportunities. But mina sengiyamzwela manje umbuthuma bafethu. Hayi nami nakimsokubhlungu phela umbuthuma umuntu at the end of the day yabo. Umuntu umjita, umuntu 1 or 2 games 3 games singamatheka lapho nalapho, but ayisokubhlungu nakimi ke manje mangimbheka umfowethu ukuthi uOrlando Pirates uyafuna ukudeliver for i-team, but kubonakala ngathi ayibhadi lisesayidini lakhe. Yabona ibhadi mali kuvakashele and ayikho into ongayenza. And umbuthu umune pressure is serious. if umfethu lo wase Norway uyafika uyadeliver indaba yambuthuma ayisekho koLorlando Pirates because bayamnika ama opportunities uqala wonke ama game umbuthuma phatha kakori bafethu ezi striker phela modlalela Orlando Pirates team enkulu kumele ukwazi at least ukuwasha amagoli noma ungawasha amagoli njalo but ke do something but umjidi unama highlights ogeja kuphela but ke abamazi umbuthuma thina siyamthandazisa bafethu sinaye so attacker lapho kuma attacker khona but I number fethu akusekho right manje no ayisekho right into lo kugeja wakhe week in and week out but uyishayile assist abanye abantu abobratso bathi umbuthuma uimportant for Orlando Pirates ngoba udraw ama defenders uyakwazi ukusiza la siza khona but into ebalekile ama fans ayifunayo mawuthola ama opportunities washaya phakathi mfethu udlalela i-team enkulu so bury the opportunities owatholayo and ekuzoba nzima khona positive umdu ngeke ayithande Brian positive uTito Maswanganye akusifinisha laphana phambili kakhulu uya create lapho create but uTito bekabonakala as face of Orlando Pirates bekumele ngabe create ama opportunities amaningi uyakwazi ukukora uba iplayer important but unokuba casual laphana uthola opportunity golden opportunity but ngifila ngathi ube slow laphana koLorlando Pirates but ke that ball was deflected to icorner ngithi bese ngilibalile ngicabanga ukuthi igoal laphana but improvement kaTito iwork rate yakhe ngiyayibona because khona la save khona Orlando Pirates Chippa United eboxini bashaya ipass but ikwazi ukufika uTito wa intercept laphana kwaba ikhona iChippa United uTito khona la track khona back wawazi ukushaya itackle yabo so uyabona ukuthi iplayer uwadi kushuthi system ka uwadi ukuthi mongaliphetanga ibhola Tito buya emuva uzomark and uyabuya uyamark uya contribute when the team is attacking uyakwazi ukuadd laphana ku final third but iziningi izinto naye kumele improve naye ezi play but ngeke uyisenior player udlalele nebafana njalo sithi kumele uimprove ezinye izinto bafowethu come on but uyiplayer important for iPirates even na last season uTito bekakwazi ukukhereza bafethu ashama assist ashama goal so uTito uyiplayer ungeke ukwazi ukul counter uvela uthi akuphelile ngaye ngeke akwazi ukudeliver for i-team no uyiplayer elikwaziyo ukunika i-team something iPirates mayileka something uyakwazi umfowethu laphana ukuvela but yakunama improvement engiwabonile but at the same time na into engifuna ukuyibala uTito akusi team player ngeke ngicela nje ukuveza imoment eyodwa bafethu Orlando Pirates ya attacker uTito ku position e right I can't remember ukuthi bebathi bayashaya or kanjani but ibhola laphumela ngaphandle uTito uchitha izandla kanje for ama player wakhe uyi-team player kanjani mfethu so ubonisa frustration yakho for mfethu xabanana ema change room but we don't want to see this thing inside the field of play uSibisi kune moment enkulu for yena ipenalty list for mina ayipenalty list straight bafethu so ozwabanye uSibisi uye endodeni straight ufika ukhahlela iplayer noma uyisi player lapha neboxini uRevely uthi akunalutho lapha sayidinga iVAR angisho ukuthi ngi-right 100% but for mina ipenalty le nto le so mangimbheka uSibisi leader captain eOrlando Pirates but uSiyama what a player bafethu what a superstar cabanga ukuthi nomunye uzohamba kuPirates iOverseas mayingamthatha uSiyama I mean ama performances angaka umfethu ngeke ngikwazi kumncoma every week phela uSiyama but what a player uyakwazi ukudefend i-team may under pressure uyakwazi futhi ukumove aye phambili taking shots futhi is comfortable nayo on the ball so uSiyama uyiplayer important for Orlando Pirates and uyakwazi ukulifihla ihlazo lamanye ama defenders esingeke siwabale cause mawubheka emasayidini eOrlando Pirates usibilibili akakwazi ukumarka but uhleze khona laphana ulona uSiyama bafethu ukublocker laphana ukuvala ihlazo and you strong manje powerful so shout out to yena what a player for Orlando Pirates really player this season yabona in terms of ama performances wabantu this season njengoba isizini siqeda ukuqala mfethu lo mtshita lo important for i-team important for izimnyama ngenkani so i-player ekumele balibheke if akekho kubafana bafana next month uSiyama andlala ngaye bafethu if akekho kubafana bafana ama performances angaka ama performances are big for lo mtshita lo yeah so bona ukuthi ubra ethi singambizi ngegama lokho ucoach webafana ozofika ukuthi uzoselect obani kanjani but ama players siyawabona performayo bafethu and siyawabona ama player selectwa based on ukuthi bayathandwa kuphela selectana ama player performayo khona uNdlovu wakusikhukhune United kumele enzeni umjidi one of the biggest performers ku Betway Premiership even na last season beka performa kahle but inkinga I think uNdlovu lo wakusikhukhune United bafethu uzodlala happy position ngoba i defender bamswitcha waba yi-striker, but uyi-striker lesi sinomzimba oqinile, so maybe mababheka ku-striking department maybe abekho sure even naku-national team ukuthi bazombeka kuphi. Khona amanye ama-player kumele siwabheke close, esiwabonile even last season bafethu banomaqokolo kumaZulu, so sinama-players amaningi bafethu exciting this season. Angazi ukuthi ngicabanga kanjani. Ithi ngizama ukuchecka bafethu ku-comment section ukuthi kahle kahle nithini nina laphana ku-comment section. Ngoba niyazi abaningi ngiyazi ukuthi bayangithuka but ngiyathanda le inhlamba zeni bafethu yabo. Umdusibeke iPrime ayikho eduze kwami lana manje, beyizongitshela straight ukuthi sikhipha bomawathi because ngiyazi ukuthi ziningi izinto bafethu enishow lapha na online. Ithi singene kuzinto zeni bafethu. But ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusifonela, even ufuna ukukhuluma nami direct ningasifonela lana bafethu. Simple, inamba yethu simple bafethu, I'm sure seniyayazi. I08 Mdusibeko. Yeah, umdu uyibekile ku screen ku YouTube bafethu la number yethu yabo. But yeah, ngizobuyela kuleyo number leyo. But ke ama comment ithi ngibheka ama comment wenu ku YouTube, ngizongena even nakoma ku YouTube nakuma Facebook nako TikTok ukuthi nithini bafethu. Khona laphana usibiya laphana ku YouTube uthi uphili ucishe waphuma laphana e-stadium bafethu. Kusho ukuthi celebration yakhe, I think usho ukhuluma nge-celebration kaphili njengoba korile. Yangibonile ukuthi ube emotionally. I mean ukora igoli lakho lokuqala against the best team on the continent. Noma kuthiwa uhambe nge-under kuphili benge ngimblame mina bafethu laphana. And then khona usizwe Mduba uthi inkulu Mdu uthi uTito attitude yakhe bafethu ayikho right laphana. Uthi at Pirate no player is bigger than the club. Uthi many stars left but the club still remain. Ngiyabonga Butsizwe laphana ngiyayibona imessage yakho. No uqinisile. Alikho iplayer kumele libe big. Alikho iplayer li bigger than Orlando Pirates. Alikho. Ngeke ube bigger than Orlando Pirates. Maningi ama-players afika eteamini, maningi ama-players azofika ku-Orlando Pirates. Ziningi intwana ezincane ezifika evelayo. Khona into engifuna ukuyibuza la. Ngiyamazi lo mjida lo. Dala ngimbukela ebhoqweni. Upadime we-Orlando Pirates. Ukuphi bafethu? Bengi-expect yena umjida ukuthi uye uzo-replace angisho ukuthi uzo-replace uRile Mfukeng but uyi-special talent ngiyamazi, but maybe abo coach or technical team e-Orlando Pirates babona ngathi akekho ready umjida ukuthi adlale, but huye umjida okay ngeke ngisho amanye ama-player ne, but uPadime uspecial la mjida lo and akasabulutho yabo. So bengicabanga ukuthi uzoba khona ku first team. Ya ukhona ku first team but ke abakamthembi ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi bamdlalise, but maybe ku-Orlando Pirates babheka isikhathi esi-perfect ukuthi bam-introduce because maningi ama-wingers lapha na ku-Orlando Pirates. Wait, shout out to Ulungu. Akusiyi player mina excited ukuthi ngilibukele but nangu uyakwazi ukukora for Orlando Pirates. Igoal awazi ukuthi lizovela kuphi ku-Orlando Pirates but Ulungu uyakwazi ukwashaya amagoli for ezimnyama ngenkani bafethu. Sisingene kuma comment wenu ukuthi nithini lana. Uzano Mbekela uthi at Downs too many players. It's no longer about money with players, but with Downs they are willing to pay more for certain players. As for Pirates, I see nothing wrong with Viking issue. Okay, wezano okay. Ngiyabona into Viking ngiyazi ukuthi abantu baya celebrate ne, but yonke into ine history yayo. Ngicela ukuthi angivumelekile ukuthi ngikhulume ngalezi zinto lezi in front of a camera ngoba thousands and thousands of people bazobona yabo. Ngicela I think history ibalekile yabo ukuthi ichazani yonke lento le. I'm not saying it's offensive or kwenzakalani, but iside le Viking engilaziyo bafethu li deep. Manga once ngakhuluma lezo zinto lezo kuzethi hayi yabona ke masofuna uku-attack lo. But yeah, shout out to Bon. I guess ama Pirates angisho ezimnyama ngenkani ezikaMagebhula, iPirates nama Vikings bonke basebenza ngemkhumba ngithi maybe kune connection ke bit lapho ezikaMagebhula ezagebhula umhlaba kaMasipala zawugebhula ama Vikings enzani they seniyazi ngithi ngayi ngoba ngizoba controversial mangizoveza lento lena bafethu. But ithi singene kuma comment khona uKhondani Ramovwa uthi sorry to butcher your name my brother. Uthi what I like about Da Cruz is that he knows how to bring out the best in average players. Okay, maybe some players at Kaizer Chiefs they're average, but with Da Cruz being there, with the system of Da Cruz, they will be one of the best players in the country. We'll see. But yeah, bathi Da Cruz is cooking on the ground lapha na ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, containing Sundowns is not easy. So shout out to Da Cruz ngokwazi ukhendlela iMamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, bafethu soyivala bafethu soyivala okwamanje wa this week. But sibonge kubo bonke abantu abakhomentayo, sibonge kubo bonke abantu abasijoinayo lana kuma live. Ngaphandle kweni bafethu besingeke sibe ile platform le esiyo namhlanje. Uphinda comment lapha uKhondani uthi Sithemba Inkosi Lodge coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Well, this is just me, ne? Sithemba Inkosi Lodge for me ezunkulu is not coming to Kaizer Chiefs. I don't see Kaizer Chiefs. Well, yeah, I don't see Thembi Inkosi Lodge ku Kaizer Chiefs. Why? He's playing in Libya. Libya right now. In Libya, Kaizer Chiefs just lost to who's this guy? Lilepo to Libyan club because they're paying salaries at Tusa yangit. Umayele, Robe Afuna Kaizer Chiefs. Mayele, he was playing in Egypt. Egypt, you say respect on the continent ngebola, but no Mayele we are Libya. You know why? Because those guys, they don't mind paying senior players over $1 million a month, even more than the Libyan club. I'm a reporter, they paid Ulona Ribeiro over 24 million up front. So we cannot compete. South African teams cannot compete in Libya. We cannot in terms of imal bafuthu. So Thembi Inkosi Lodge for me is not coming to Kaizer Chiefs. This thing, forget about izinto za online ezenzakalayo. Akezi ku Kaizer Chiefs uThembi Inkosi Lodge. Next bafethu ngiyala. And uThembi Inkosi Lodge une interest serious futhi eNorth Africa. Amanye ama teams already ayamazi uThembi Inkosi Lodge. eMorocco bamfuna back. Ama champions waseMorocco amfuna. iWydad Casablanca ithi ingathanda futhi kuba nayo uThembi Inkosi Lodge. So I don't see our teams competing nala majita lawo because ayayikhipha imali akudlalo. eLibya alikhi ibhola eLibya bafethu. But imali khona icontract le beyikhiphe uMickey Junior. Bathi khona umjito uzohola over 2 million ngenyanga. 2 million kuseLibya but ibhola abanalo. So Thembi Inkosi Lodge ngiyibona ichance bafethu ayikabi. Ngiyaxolisa bafethu kulo ngon-disappoint ngendaba kaThembi Inkosi Lodge. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bafuna ukubona uThembi Inkosi Lodge laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but is not coming. It's not coming bafethu. Okay. Khona othe untuthuko Mhlengwa lana RSA uthi I feel like Kaizer Chiefs is replacing Bomdungu, Phili nabongcobo ngala new players. Yeah, I think uPhili kumele bamenze face of Kaizer Chiefs. That's what I feel. I feel like uPhili bafuna ukumenza face of Kaizer Chiefs. And I mean, mawubheka ukuthi uPhili bamsayine kanjani kuStellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs ihambise ama player 3 players plus nama millions. So meaning that ivalue kaPhili imalini kahle bamvalue so high lo mjita lo. That is why bakwazi ukuhambisa. Ngiyazi mangithi 3 abantu bayamanga bahambisa uGiven Msimango, uDuprizi nalentwana ubani uTaunyana. Ngiyaxolisa if ngisisho kahle ngisisho kabi isibongo sakhe, but bekadlala ku DDC team. Ngiya assume now was part of a package ukuthi bathole uPhili. But ke into mina engithusayo bafethu engimangazayo ne ulo Titus bamthengise North Africa iStellenbosch over 5 million rands, 5 million. But if Titus bafuna iKaizer Chiefs bebazothi 20 million. But in North Africa babathengisa cheap labantu laba. Make this thing make sense bafethu. iStellenbosch siyafuna ukuthengisela ama teams wase South Africa fair. Ngikhuluma la ngama price fair bafethu. Ama transfers are fair. No, they don't. Titus is more valued according to me. Ivalue kaTitus siyayazi lapha na kuStellenbosch. Baze bamsayinisa icontract entsha manje. Because bekunama links with Sundowns with Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs because they were stopping lama teams wala South Africa. Ama teams wase Johannesburg mawafuna uTitus keep imali ethusayo. But only for bona ukuthi bamthengise 5 million in North Africa. And lo mali asikho sure ukuthi bazoyithola. Why ngithi asikho sure? Ngike ngakhuluma ngolo ngubani lo mjeta lo weKaizer Chiefs. Lo Dayini lo strike ukhanyisa mayo. Bayithole nini imali yabo le ku Cape Town City? Abayitholanga yonke imali yabo. So uthengisa ama player North Africa lo ngekho sure ukuthi imali ye transfer bazokwazi ukuyikhokha yonke same time. Nizoyithola akikho guaranteed ukuthi nizoyithola. Kumele niyo complain ku FIFA ukuze niyithole imali yenu. Hayi iStellenbosch idlalile kodwa ngathi. But ke sothini? iplayer labo bamdevelopile abamthengise ngemali less, but if bokuzi iKaizer Chiefs bebazothi 16 million njengoPhili. Kusho ukuthi uPhili bebangamthengisa nge5 million eNorth Africa, but uKaizer Chiefs bebangeke bamthengise just nge5 million as a player. ibhola lase South Africa ke linjalo. Also ngicabanga ukuthi relationship inzima, abanayo relationship powerful strong namanye ama teams abanye. That is why amajita la ase Cape Town akwazi ukuthenga. Khona iplayer bengithi ngiyalibala but ngoba ngiyalazi up close and personal ngeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngalo straight. Fethu ama teams ase Cape Town njalo angakublock ukuthi uye ku Kaizer Chiefs only for bona ukuthi bakuhambise imali bakurelease. Same thing e Cape Town Spurs. Do you know how many players bafuna o Kaizer Chiefs o Orlando Pirates bafuna ukubathengisa ngama millions only for bona ukuthi baba release lawo ama player for Durban City namo Stellenbosch namanye ama team mahala. Kunzima. But ngiyabonga bafethu ngokungijoina ku TikTok, ku Facebook na ku YouTube. Igama lami uNkulisoka, ningazi ngoNkulisoka. Si live ku Omni Audio Africa every Tuesday bafethu ngilana sikhuluma ngama games previous weekend. Sine MTN 8 ezayo ke bafethu this weekend, so bona ukuthi MTN 8 izohamba kanjani, but ngibona ifinal enkulu between iMamelodi Sundowns ne Orlando Pirates, unless if khona i-team enkulu ezo-collapse. But lama teams lawa yi-2, Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, abaqali kahle this season. Yabo lama team way-2, but into important for bona bayakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Ngicela ukuzibamba lana kwamanje bafethu, until next week sizibambe la. Omni Audio Africa, Nkulisoka, danko bafethu.